Alright, so this is a short video on how to use your new Call of the Wild annotated version of the novel. So, first things first, we want to go to the table of contents. You have a table of contents. Do not skip over the pre-reading. It is so important. It will make your life so much easier when it comes to making connections throughout the story. So, definitely don't skip over that. Now, how to use the book, you've got your chapter here on the left-hand side. Now, on the right-hand side, you've got sections to make notes, and you've got the teacher questions on the bottom right-hand side. Now, the other part of that is that bolded words are going to be vocabulary words, which you can find in the back of the book. And then you've got underlined words that are locations to take note of while reading. So this is important. I hope you found this helpful, and please let me know if you have other questions.